Okay, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how to create annotation for tokens in Figma application. So let's get started. Okay, let me explain the benefit of the annotation feature in Figma tokens. Yeah, first of course is to make easier for dev team, and also inside the developer show inspect from Figma. But this plugin, sorry, I think the creator has some reason why they created the annotation feature in Figma tokens. Of course, it's about the to make developer faster to know what's the token that integrated into the component. Okay, and I give you an example how we can detect this component has some token. So of course, first you need to open the Figma token, and you can do inspect manually. You can hit the tab, and voila, you can see this component it has some token. And if you want to create the annotation, is easier. You can hit this icon information, and you can click, and they will show the information of the specification of the token. And you can which direction to show the information. And also, if you think if you want to rename, I would say this semi-automatic. So if you want to rename, you're able to do that. So you can able to rename it. Let's say this is the I think it's the same thing as the chips. And if you want to, sometimes it's not really it has some bugs, or maybe it's not really automatically, but you do manually. Let's say because I'm using this this component with background light, but they detect about the icon, because the icon in this for icon color, but you do manually rename it. You're able to do that. Let's say I'm using the baggy color light. So as you can see, this baggy color light, you're able to rename it. Okay, let's say baggy color, sorry, okay, baggy color and light. And if you want to do specific for certain element, you can able to let's say I want to show the annotation for this text, and you're able to show only for this text. And if you want to show the information of the color I use, like you use in this icon, you're able to do you're able to show it, and will show specific for this element, for this element. And you're able to do manually rename it for what's this color. Let's say for what's the element name. Let's say this is tags, and this is with leading icon. And this is double, and you can delete it. And I think that's the simple, the easiest, and very useful for the dev team to create for us to explain the annotation of the token specification. Okay, I think that's all for this video. Okay, that's the tutorial, and I hope you get my point. And if you have a question, so you can leave a comment, and don't forget to like and also subscribe. Okay, bye bye.